A seismic shift in abortion rights. In a decision, the United States Supreme Court has overturned Roe v. Wade. There is no longer a federal constitutional right to an abortion. This gives states the green light to ban the procedure outright. Justice Samuel Alito writing the majority opinion. You'll recall his is the leaked draft opinion that was released over a month ago. Chief Justice John Roberts siding in part with the court's liberal wing in dissent. Fox 5 is your home for team coverage this afternoon as the fallout from the High Court's decision begins. Stephanie Bertini is live with reaction from local leaders about what New York State is doing in the wake of this decision. We're also checking in on protests in the nation's capital. But first, we want to begin with our Linda Schmidt, who has more on the ruling itself. Linda.
Chris, well, day two of big news coming from the U.S. Supreme Court. The ruling today comes about a month after that leak of a draft opinion indicating that the Supreme Court was going to overturn Roe v. Wade. So now, after almost 50 years, constitutional protections for abortion are over. Both sides of the controversial issue rallying outside the Supreme Court today as that decision was coming down. The ruling is expected to lead to abortion bans in about half of the states in the country. Now, that is because the ruling ends federal protections for abortions, and it puts the issue in the lap of every state. Now, here in New York, abortion rights are protected, and they will continue to be, but those rights will not be protected in red states across the U.S. Overturning Roe v. Wade has been made possible by former President Donald Trump, who appointed 3 conservative judges to the U.S. Supreme Court. Now, Justice Samuel Alito, writing in the final opinion, quote, "The Constitution makes no reference to abortion, and no such right is implicitly protected by any constitutional provision." The 3 liberal judges on the court were in dissent, writing, "With sorrow for this court, but more for the many million of American women who have lost a fundamental constitutional protection." Well, earlier today, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi highly critical of both Donald Trump and Senator Mitch McConnell.
Because of Donald Trump, Mitch McConnell, and the Republican Party, their supermajority in the Supreme Court, American women today have less freedom than their mothers. With Roe and their attempt to destroy it, radical Republicans are charging ahead with their crusade to criminalize health freedom. In the Congress, be aware of this, the Republicans are plotting a nationwide abortion ban.
All right, now, just a short time ago, Senator McConnell issued a statement saying, in part, quote, "For 50 years, states have been unable to enact even modest protections for unborn children. The court has corrected a terrible legal and moral error." Now, many health experts have been speaking out about this for many years, and they believe that this ruling now is expected to disproportionately affect minority women who already deal with a lack of access to health care. Now, in the meantime, President Biden is scheduled to speak about this issue at 12:30, and of course, we will be carrying that address live right here on Fox 5. Chris, back upstairs to you.
All right, Linda, thank you very much. We appreciate it.